You on board, and we are looking forward to see you on board again. Thank you and goodbye.
I landed in Catania and then took the bus over to the hostel I was staying in. I had a nap, showered up, and then headed out to explore the city in the evening.
Granita. This is a cannolo. Cute. It doesn't taste like mango. It doesn't taste like mango.
After getting breakfast in Catania, we headed to our next destination, Taormina.
We just got down from the lift and this is our view. Another beautiful day in paradise. Absolutely stunning. Feels surreal. Breakfast.
Evening, we headed into the centre of Taormina for a dinner at the Hotel Timio, which is the first hotel to open in Taormina, and it's 150 years old.
Linguine with a lobster. And then I don't remember what this one is. Ravioli though. And this is our stunning view.
Before heading out onto a boat for the afternoon, we made time for a quick snack and enjoyed this delicious arancino by the pool. Our final accommodation of the trip was an Airbnb located in the centre of town. We arrived, settled in, and then got ready for dinner.
God. Let's go. We're walking to our reservation, which is on top of a mountain, and people are taking this route to exercise. We've got a long way to go, but...
Oh, but look, if you look at the distance, as we had dinner the other night, I think you can see.
Oh my god, yeah. Oh my god, literally we were sat there.
You were sat there.
Now look at us.
Yeah.
Look at us now. Okay, we've gone up another flight of stairs and the view just keeps getting more and more stunning as we're coming up. Guys, we've literally done, like we started somewhere, where did we start? Oh, there!
Yeah.
We started all the way down there. Went zoom, 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 all the way up this, all the way up where those people are walking. All of this. And now we're here. That's exactly how I feel right now. We made it. The most stunning reward.
Going down to press the grain and everything starts.
Traditional park.
Our last full day started off by getting breakfast at Bambar. This is an absolute must when in Taormina. Their granita is unreal and it was so refreshing in the Sicilian heat.
We have finished our granitas.
We spent the rest of the day walking around, exploring the town. We took the cable car down to the beach, and then we finished off the day with some delicious pizza.
Not that bit, this.
Ah.
Wait, where is it? This. It's my lunch for tomorrow. Yeah.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
Look how beautiful she is.
Babe, I want to eat the tourists.
Why did the sticker zoom in?